Hello everyone and welcome back to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. Today's video we're diving into the new Trello, just giving an overview of what happened in middle of February. We're a little late to this actually. Trello has made some new changes, including a brand new logo and some new views that really enhanced the tool. So on February 16th, they announced not just a new look, but new views that will really take Trello a lot further than where it is. Now the new logo, just a little bit cleaner, and also includes a new font and a lighter blue, which Trello are definitely pushing. The website looks new and updated as well, stating they also have 1 million teams using Trello. Now they've been hinting at these new views for a while now. They've actually included in the launch timeline, table, dashboard, and calendar view, all as a way to change your views to your existing Trello use, because you can basically switch the cards into these different views and it shouldn't affect the experience. Now, all these new views are available in business class or enterprise plans, and it's really an aim to try and challenge the likes of ClickUp, Monday, and Asana, especially the likes of Monday and ClickUp because they've been in the market a fair while now. Asana and Trello seem to be doing a bit of a catch-up job, but definitely a huge leap forward for Trello, especially because I thought they'd be quite rigid in their ways, and this is something that I think will make Trello definitely more relevant as we're starting a new decade. So as you can imagine, Trello, I think, looking to add more views to this lineup. However, for now, it's a good step in the right direction, especially the way the timeline view looks fantastic, and some of the ways that the dashboard is being used is really impressive. They've also got some changes to their sidebar to help you find and create new views, which can quickly be done there. So do remember this is only available for business class and enterprise. However, it's something that Trello are looking to continue to improve on. Anyway, folks, exciting news from Trello. Hopefully this was not too late in your roundup. Make sure to hit subscribe if you're brand new, and we'll talk to you all very soon. Cheerio.